nuts begins in vibrant tropical fields bathed in sunlight and humid conditions. Cashew trees, native to tropical regions, require well-drained sandy or lateritic soils to thrive. Cultivated primarily in countries like India, Brazil, Vietnam, and various African nations, cashew trees can be grown from seeds or through grafting, a method that helps the tree grow robustly and achieve high yields. Once planted, cashew trees need minimal special care, although regular watering, fertilizing, and pest control are essential for healthy growth. The trees start bearing fruit after approximately 3 to 5 years, but it takes 8 to 12 years to reach their full production capacity, yielding the highest quality and quantity of cashew nuts. Harvesting cashew apples is a significant challenge for farmers. The cashew fruit consists of two main parts: the edible part, known as the cashew apple, and the actual cashew nut located beneath a hard shell. What makes cashew harvesting unique is that the nut is encased in a tough shell containing a caustic liquid that can cause skin irritation if not handled properly. Farmers must carefully harvest each cashew apple, removing the fruit and handling the nut with care. The apples are gathered either by hand or machine, then moved to subsequent processing stages. Harvesting must be done at the right time to ensure that the fruit is not overripe or damaged, which could affect the quality of the cashew nut. Once harvested, cashew nuts need to be dried to prepare them for further processing. Sun drying is the traditional and effective method to remove excess moisture from cashew nuts. This process not only helps preserve the nuts, but also imparts a unique natural flavor. Cashew nuts are spread out on drying surfaces where they are exposed to direct sunlight. This process helps remove excess moisture and retains the nut's natural flavor and nutritional value. However, sun drying comes with its challenges, such as unpredictable weather conditions or environmental contamination. Consequently, many modern facilities have turned to drying machines to ensure even and efficient drying. After drying, cashew nuts are transported to processing factories, where they undergo rigorous handling to ensure quality. The processing begins with washing the nuts to remove dirt and contaminants that may have accumulated during harvesting and drying. Nuts are placed in specialized washing machines that use clean water to remove dirt and any residues. Some factories may add a quick drying step post-wash to ensure that no moisture remains, preventing spoilage. This step is crucial for preserving the nuts before they proceed to the next stages of processing. Roasting is a critical step in the cashew nut processing journey that imparts flavor and crunch. Cashew nuts are roasted at high temperatures, typically between 180 and 200 degrees Celsius, which helps remove any remaining moisture and enhances the nut's sweet, rich flavor. The roasting process can last from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the desired texture and flavor profile. Cashew nuts are roasted until they reach a golden brown color and a delightful aroma. The roasting temperature and time can be adjusted to meet market demands and preferences, making it a crucial aspect of producing high-quality cashew nuts. After roasting, cashew nuts undergo shelling and nut extraction. This stage is delicate and requires precision. The shell of the cashew nut is very hard and difficult to remove, requiring either manual skill or advanced machinery. In large factories, automated machines are used to shell the nuts. These machines use various mechanisms such as rollers, presses, or pneumatic systems to crack open the shells and separate the nuts. However, some facilities still prefer manual shelling to ensure quality and precision. This labor-intensive process involves skilled workers using specialized tools to carefully remove the shells without damaging the nut inside. Once shelled, the nuts are inspected to remove any defective or substandard pieces. This meticulous quality control ensures that only the best nuts make it to the final product. Seasoning is a vital part of transforming cashew nuts into a delightful snack. Cashew nuts can be flavored with a variety of spices, ranging from salty and spicy to sweet or even unique flavor blends. Common seasoning methods include tumbling, spraying, or coating. In tumbling, nuts are placed in a rotating drum where the seasoning mix is evenly distributed. Some facilities use spraying techniques or dry seasoning mixtures to coat the nuts. The seasoned nuts are then allowed to rest for a period to let the flavors infuse thoroughly. This stage is essential for creating cashew nuts that are not only tasty but also cater to diverse consumer preferences. The seasoning process ensures that every nut is coated evenly, providing a consistent flavor experience. After processing and seasoning, cashew nuts are packaged for distribution. For retail products, nuts are typically packaged in vacuum-sealed bags to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. These bags remove air from the packaging, preventing moisture and preserving the nut's flavor. For bulk orders or distribution to food manufacturers, cashew nuts may be packed in large sacks or containers. This method is cost-effective and efficient for handling large quantities of nuts. The packaged nuts are then transported to warehouses, supermarkets, stores, or other distribution points. Efficient distribution networks ensure that cashew nuts reach consumers quickly and effectively, maintaining product quality throughout the supply chain. Cashew nuts are more than just a delicious snack. They represent a tale of elegance and creativity throughout the processing journey. From tropical fields and the meticulous work of farmers and workers to advanced modern processing methods, each cashew nut tells a story of dedication and skill. Whether enjoyed as a simple snack, incorporated into complex dishes, or crafted into alternative products like cashew cheese, the journey from tree to table is truly remarkable. The unique flavor and careful production process make cashew nuts not just a treat, but also a testament to the craftsmanship involved in bringing this delightful nut to your plate.